Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to set up an account in Gmail. When you have your computer and your desktop open, you want to navigate to the internet. You can use any web browser for this. It does not make a difference. So Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Each of those web browsers will work for setting up an account. When you have your internet open, you want to navigate to www.gmail, that's gmail.com. Hit enter. Once you've navigated to gmail.com, this page should appear. Since you don't have a Gmail account at this point, you'll need to hover down to this blue link that says Create Account and select. Once loaded, you should see this page where you can create your Google account. On the right-hand side, you'll find these boxes where you can enter your first and last name. For instructional purposes, we're going to use Sakura Test as our first and last name, but you'll put in your first name and your last name in those fields. The next box, you'll choose your username. We're going to choose sakuratest@gmail.com. So our first and last name. Now you can use your first and last name. You can use a number of things, whatever you'd like your username to be. We're going to use our first and last name and see if that's available. What this tells us is that someone already has that username, and it gives us options to try another. What we'll do is we'll just come in here and add in some numbers that are unique to Sakura Real Estate Group. The last four digits of our phone number are 1463. We'll see if that's available. Okay, someone already has used that one. So we'll use 14631. All right. So now we have a username that can be used. You can choose whatever username you'd like, but once you have your username, go ahead and write it down somewhere so that you don't forget. This next section, you'll create a password. It needs to be at least 8 characters, and this bar over here will show you if it's too weak, if it's good, or if it's a strong password. It can be a number of different things. I don't believe you have to use numbers in this password. Okay, it does make you use numbers, so your password needs to be a mixture of numbers and letters. Okay, so there's a strong password. Once you have the password selected, confirm it here. And then go ahead and write your password down somewhere as well. It's going to ask you for your birthday. We're just going to use a test birthday for this account. It's going to ask you male or female. We are a business, so we're going to choose other. And then it's going to ask you for a phone number. Whichever phone number input, it's going to ask you for your current email address. Whatever email address you use currently, it's just going to use to as a backup in case you forget your login information in the future. So you'll enter in your email address in that field. Don't worry about this checkbox, just move right on past that, and you're going to type in the text here that you see in this picture. Now our picture is going to be different from yours, but ours says 115. Your location is defaulted to United States, and then you'll check I agree to Google Terms and Service and Privacy Policy and click Next Step. Once you've done this, you should see this blue bar that says Continue to Gmail. You can click that button. And congratulations, you've set up a Gmail account. You can go through these instructional videos, the tutorials through Gmail if you'd like. I'm going to exit out for now. The first thing we'd like for you to do is to hit Compose, this orange button, and your first email can be to office@sakurarealestategroup.com. Subject line of your message, new email address. And then you can just write a quick message to us. That way we know that you have your Gmail account set up, and we can begin corresponding with you through email and through other communication methods as well, such as dotloop for the transaction. Okay, so once you have that email drafted, you can hit this blue send button, and that's going to come to us. Okay, congratulations, you sent your first email. Now, Google has a lot of different capabilities that you can use, but today we're just focused on Gmail. And so to see the messages that you have, you'll come over here to the left side where it says inbox, and you'll select inbox when you come in. And this is where all of your messages will appear. We have one message here that's from Andy from Google, just from setting up our Google account. You may have the same message in your inbox. But when we respond to your emails, they're going to be in your inbox here. If you want to reply to those emails, you just open the email by clicking on it. You'll see your message. And you can reply by hitting this, looks like a backwards arrow here. If you hover over it, it says reply. You just click that button. You can type your message in here. And whenever you're ready to send, you just hit send. If you have any questions or need further assistance in setting up your Gmail account, please give us a call here at our office, 412-701-1463. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and for working with the Socorro Real Estate Group. Have a great day.